After facing countless frustrations with visual fidelity myself and spending countless hours testing potential solutions, I finally uncovered multiple effective ways to banish those persistent graphical problems, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to fix flat lighting graphics bug and environment texture issues that can ruin your gaming experience. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial because old drivers often lack the latest optimizations and bug fixes needed for modern games to render lighting and textures correctly. Think of it like giving your computer new glasses to see the game world clearly. Next, adjusting your in-game settings directly impacts how the game engine handles visual elements. Tweaking options like shadow quality or texture filtering can instantly resolve issues where environments look dull or flat, as these settings control the complexity and sharpness of what you see. Then, verifying your game files ensures that no important game data has been corrupted or gone missing. Sometimes, files get damaged during downloads or updates, leading to strange visual glitches, and checking them makes sure the game has all the pieces it needs to display graphics properly. Finally, clearing your shader cache helps by removing old, potentially corrupted pre-rendered graphic data. Shaders tell your graphics card how to draw light and surfaces, and a corrupted cache can cause visual errors like incorrect lighting or missing textures, so a fresh start often makes everything look right again.